of Gene and Cell Therapy's 6th annual conference with a host of dignitaries on the dais who are present here. Also a friend of mine and a leading educationist and entrepreneur. ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ISGCT and AIML Bio ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಸುನೀತಾ ಅಗರ್ವಾಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ. ಇನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ ಅದು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋತ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಜೀನ್ ಥೆರಪಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ one of the frontiers of research that is being conducted, and especially in the field of medicine, it is something that is really working miracles in some ways and also promising for the future that many diseases for which there are no good cures or cures which are very expensive or very difficult to treat, those kind of diseases, those kind of syndromes, those can be tackled through gene therapy. So it is a really cutting edge technology that is at work today. Science is definitely has just revolutionized the way we look at ourselves, especially in the field of health and medicine. Before we could really understand modern medicine, everything was based on trials and everything was based on experiences without a proper understanding of what actually is happening. We've had so many traditional methods of medicine. In every country there is a traditional methods of medicine. Chinese have their own traditional medicine. India has got its own various traditions, Ayurveda, Unani, and then you have homeopathy, and then you have, every country has had its own practitioners. But until the advent of modern science, nobody could really figure out what was happening. So it was all theoretical understanding of the subject. But once they discovered the cell, and once they could peer through a microscope and see what constitutes a cell and what are the various functions of that cell, that's when the whole field opened up. And that's when they could really figure out what is happening inside the body, what organ is doing, what are the functions of each organ, and how it is working. The workings of the body it was opened up. Like how a telescope opened up our understanding of the universe, the microscope opened up the understanding of every structure, both living and non-living, on this planet. So that has grown and grown and grown, and science has advanced rapidly. Modern medicine has been able to cure so many diseases, has been able to understand so many things, and it's been able to help our people to live longer lives.